Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
How to view history in MKVToolNix. So here, how to view your history in MKVToolNix. So let's say you didn't remember on what you did the last one or what you already finished on this doing, or what you have audio that you've removed or what so not. So here I'll be showing you how to do it. Where to find the history. What you need to do is open up your MKVToolNix. After opening up your MKVToolNix, go to right here, job queue, not job output right here, job queue. So here, job queue, you will see all of this. It can either be, as you can see right now, here's the task status, so you would understand how to read this. There we go. So we have this one right here, completed. Okay, so it means been completed. The multiplex job has been done, right, and has been completed with 100% progress right there. And date, here are the date and date started, as you can see right there. Date added and date started. And here also the same. And here it also showed um, aborted to go this aborted progress, as you can see right here. Status aborted by user, and it was done by 20% and this date. And as you can see right now, and as you can see, you can also see the current one. Here's the current one. There you go. Now it's completed. Now it's went okay, 100%. There you go. As you can see here, complete warning. As you can see right now, see right there. And you can also view the output right here. There you go. As you can see, here's the warning right here. There you go. Time stop after rethinking. So here, as you see, so there's a time stop right here, which means it will stop this position right here. So yeah, when you're watching the movie, ambiguous. So why is this very important? Because, for example, right here, you would know when the movie will bug because it shows right here. There you go. There you go. As you can see, it will show it right here. So yeah, so you would know when the movie will bug out. It will bug at 122.53 seconds, and yeah, so it will bug right there. But there, so you know what to fix, and you know what status or what movies have you already done. So now, or videos, stuff like that. But I'm doing movies, so yeah. Now here, all you need to do is um what do you call this right click on here, and then you can also remove some stuff from your history. As you can see, remove, remove. So you can remove stuff, or you can just select all and then remove jobs. So there you go. So yeah, that's how you do it, guys. So yeah, there you go. So you do this history thing. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type in the comment section below. Happy to answer you guys, and thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.